Stop guessing, stop trying to catch falling knives, and stop fighting the flow of money. There is a reason why 90% of the traders fail. It is simple. They are trying to be smarter than the market. But here at Hash Forex, we don't try to be smarter, we try to be aligned. We are trained traders. In fact, our goal is to build the #1 community of trained traders on this platform. If you're new here, welcome to the team. If you've been following us, you know exactly how we eat. We identify the trend, we wait for the discount, and we execute. Today, I'm going to show you a textbook example on USDJPY. I'm going to teach you how to spot the dominant market move, the heartbeat of the trend, and how to use the area of confluence to enter safely. If you want to trade with the banks instead of against them, you are in the right place. Let's get to work.
Hash Forex UG. Be your best trader.
All right, look at this chart. This is the 1 minute time frame on USDJPY. The first step to becoming a top tier trend trader is admitting who is in charge. So if you're to look at this chart, we get this massive drop to the downside. So we are seeing that this massive drop is showing us the dominant market move. It is showing us who is in charge. So after getting this massive drop, we shall delete our buy button from our head. We shall not be thinking about buyers anymore. So we shall label this as our trend or our dominant market move. And where this drop started from, that one is going to be our dynamic resistance. This time, this dynamic resistance is important because it shows us that if the market is trending above here, the trend might be changing from a downtrend going into an uptrend. So we have something like this. So if we get the market breaking above this dynamic resistance, that one indicates that the market might be reversing and it's going to pull back here, then it continues to the upside. So that's why this is our dynamic resistance. So we are having here price creating a new low here, which is this one, and that is our support created, and it is also our new lower low. So after having our support here, we are seeing the price is pulling back, or the price is giving us retracement, and that retracement is looking for our area of confluence. Okay, we don't make entries on impulses, we make entries after a pullback. So if you look at this one here, we are having our resistance around this zone here, and when you look on the right hand side, you're seeing that also here the market has formed a level of resistance at that point here. So having these two here, then those ones are going to give us our area of confluence. So if you're to look further into our area of confluence, and you're to look at the body of the candles of the buyers, you're seeing that they're starting to become small. What does that mean? The buying pressure is reducing. The pressure of this pullback here is reducing. The buyers are failing to push the market further to the upside. Then what happens next? From our area of confluence here, we're having this very big momentum candle of sellers. If you're to compare this body and this body here, you're seeing that these buyers have been engulfed in the buyers, in the what? The sellers. What does that mean? That one means that the sellers are now taking control of this market. So After this candle closes here, where shall we be putting our stop loss? Our stop loss is always above our area of confluence here. We put our stop loss above our area of confluence, it means that we are having a very smaller risk. Okay, we're going to be risking less and we shall be making more in anticipation the market continuing to the downside. The take profit here, you can aim for the first or the first take profit can be here on this lower low where the market stopped, and then take profit 2 can be here. We can put our take profit 2 at this level here. So we shall be having our sell, the closure of that candle here, stop loss above, then we aim for the lows, just like that. If you were to add in a trend line, you're going to see that if you add in a trend line, you're having this level here where the dynamic resistance is, then that area here from our area of confluence, the resistance. So if you're to combine those two, you'll see that you're getting your trend line. So meaning above this, the trend is changing. I'm no longer interested in sales. I'll be looking at buys, and yeah. So let us see how this one went. So yeah, and just like that, that is one of our best BYBT strategy setups that we normally have. Join our live trading programs to get access to our live trading sessions, live analysis, and signals. If you want to join, the links will be dropped in the description. You can also tap me on my WhatsApp to join. To recap, identify the dominant move, wait for the pullback into the dynamic resistance, find your area of confluence for the sniper entry, and target the recent lows. If you want to see more live breakdowns like this, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's keep catching these trends together. This is Forex. I shall see you in the next video. I shall see you.